Can wheel spacers solve the clearance problem after replacing the new wheels on the Land Rover Defender? Wheel spacer can quickly solve positive wheel offset clearance issues. For the performance upgrades, if you replace the bigger brake calipers and a set of off-road wheels for the Land Rover Defender, the bigger brake calipers will reduce the gap between the wheel and the hub. It will be scratched when installing the positive offset wheels. With the help of 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers, you can perfectly solve the clearance problem by pushing the wheels out to provide more space, so that you fit the big brake calipers and off-road wheels. That's quite a good way to save your time and money. Also, these Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are a great idea to prevent friction from larger tires. When you turn the wheel, larger tires may scratch the fender. Wheel spacer push the wheel out and gain more interior edge room. As this space increases, the risk of tire rubbing against a suspension or brake decreases. 2023 Land Rover Defender wheel spacers bring flush style and improved performance. As long as quality branding spacers is installed, there is no problem. If you want to get this bonus hub central with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.